హాయ్ స్టెనోగ్రాఫర్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఫినాట్స్ స్టెనో-టైప్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. మీరు కనుక ఫస్ట్ టైం ఈ ఛానల్ని చూస్తుంటే మరింత కంటెంట్ కోసం దయచేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే వీడియోని లైక్ చేసి మన స్టెనోగ్రాఫర్స్కి, కాంపిటేటివ్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. డిస్టింగ్విష్డ్ మెంబర్స్, ఇట్ గివ్స్ మీ ప్లెజర్ టు preside over the annual celebrations of your organization. It is a good thing to form the Residents Welfare Association with a view to safeguard the interests of the members. It helps the members as well as the authorities to find solutions to the problems faced by the people in these areas. In this connection, I would point out that out of the 200 members of the association, many have built houses with the permission of the authorities. Some have not taken the approval of the plans. I would therefore request you, Mr. President, to advise those members to get their plans approved immediately so that any action against them may be avoided. Your president, in his welcome talk, has referred to the various difficulties faced by you in this area. I fully agree with you in all these matters. I am glad to inform you that we have already started laying pipes for supplying drinking water to the area. As regards your request for good roads and street lights, I am sure that your demands will be given kind consideration, and I hope there will not be any difficulty in providing these. In this connection, let me make an earnest appeal to you that you should make sure that the taxes due to the authorities are paid in time on receipt of the demand notices. This will help us to build up the finances to meet your requirements. I am happy about the steps your association is taking from time to time on behalf of its members. It is only proper that you should organize yourselves. I once again assure you that the authorities on their part would do their best. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to be with you. Dear Mr. John, I am in receipt of your kind letter giving me full details of the decision that is taken in regard to the publication of the books pending for publication. As rightly said, there is every need for publishing such type of books for the benefit of the student generation on these subjects. At the same time, we should keep in mind the investment point also. I therefore strongly advise you to think of one book for each month. In view of the next examination rush, we have to finalize the book on hand immediately so that the same can be placed in the market. I hope to hear from you soon a final discussion. Yours sincerely.